All of Olevels business studies. Section 3 Definitions in 5 minutes. Marketing is identifying customer wants and satisfying them profitably. A customer is a person, business, or other organization which buys goods or services from a business. Customer loyalty is when existing customers continually buy products from the same business. Customer relationships are communicating with customers to encourage them to become loyal to the business and its products. Market share is the percentage of total market sales held by one brand or business. Consumer buys goods or services for personal use, not to resell. Mass market is where there is a large number of sales of a product. Niche market is a small, usually specialized, segment of a much larger market. Market segment is an identifiable subgroup of a whole market in which consumers have similar characteristics or preferences. Market research is the process of gathering, analyzing, and interpreting information about a market. A product-oriented business is one whose main focus of activity is on the product itself. The market-oriented business carries out market research to find out what consumer wants before a product is developed and produced. The marketing budget is a financial plan for the marketing of a product or product range for some specific period of time. It specifies how much money is available to market the product or range so that the marketing department may know how much it may spend. Primary research is the collection and collation of original data via direct contact with potential or existing customers. Secondary research uses information that has already been collected and is available for use by others. A questionnaire is a set of questions to be answered as a means of collecting data for market research. Online surveys require the target sample to answer a series of questions over the internet. Interviews involve asking individuals a series of questions, often face-to-face or over the phone. A focus group is a group of people who are representative of the target market. A sample is a group of people who are selected to respond to a market research exercise, such as a questionnaire. A random sample is when people are selected at random as a source of information for market research. A quota sample is when people are selected on the basis of certain characteristics such as age, gender, or income as a source of information for market research. The marketing mix is a term which is used to describe all the activities which go into marketing a product or service. These activities are often summarized as the 4 Ps: product, price, place, and promotion. The USP is the special feature of a product that differentiates it from the products of competitors. The brand name is the unique name of a product that distinguishes it from other brands. Brand loyalty is when consumers keep buying the same brand again and again instead of choosing a competitor's brand. Brand image is an image or identity given to a product which gives it a personality of its own and distinguishes it from its competitors' brands. Packaging is the physical container or wrapping for a product. It is also used for promotion and selling appeal. The product life cycle describes the stages a product will pass through from its introduction, through its growth until it is mature, and then finally its decline. Extension strategy is a way of keeping a product at the maturity stage of the life cycle and extending the cycle. Cost plus pricing is the cost of manufacturing the product plus a profit markup. Competitive pricing is when the product is priced in line with or just below competitors' prices to try to capture more of the market. Penetration pricing is when the price is set lower than the competitors' prices in order to be able to enter a new market. Price skimming is where a high price is set for a new product on the market. Promotional pricing is when a product is sold at a very low price for a short period of time. Dynamic pricing is when businesses change product prices, usually when selling online, depending on the level of demand. Price elastic demand is where consumers are very sensitive to changes in price. Price inelastic demand is where consumers are not sensitive to changes in price. A distribution channel is the means by which a product is passed from the place of production to the consumer. An agent is an independent person or business that is appointed to deal with the sales and distribution of a product or a range of products. Promotion is where marketing activities aim to raise customer awareness of a product or a brand, generating sales and helping to create brand loyalty. Advertising means paying for communication with potential customers about a product to encourage them to buy it. Informative advertising is where the emphasis of advertising or sales promotion is to give full information about the product. Persuasive advertising is advertising or promotion, which is trying to persuade the consumer that they really need the product and should buy it. Target audience refers to people who are potential buyers of a product or a service. Sales promotions are incentives, such as special offers aimed at consumers to achieve short-term increases in sales. Social media marketing is a form of internet marketing that involves creating and sharing content on social media networks in order to achieve marketing and branding goals. It includes activities such as posting text and image updates, videos, and other content that achieves audience engagement, as well as paid social media advertising. Viral marketing is when consumers are encouraged to share information online about the products of a business. E-commerce is the online buying and selling of goods and services using computer systems linked to the internet and apps on mobile, cell phones. A marketing strategy is a plan to combine the right combination of the four elements of the marketing mix for a product or a service to achieve a particular marketing objective. Thanks for watching.